Hello, and in the bedroom of Mr. Henry, who also keeps anonymous. Oh, oops, I just spread a name out. Damn it. Oh well, need to restart. I'm too lazy to do that. Here's another Harbor Breeze classic of some sort. Wow. And on the TV, we got some pranks going on. My favorite prank. The pretend I killed your girlfriend prank. Or that's a suicide prank. Whatever. Oh, I guess I'm gonna take my shoes off. Oh yeah? So I'm currently on high. Hey Reed, do you mind if I change the speed on the fan? Okay. Put it on the medium. Oh, look at that. I was wrong. That's a Hampton Bay. Rewind that. It's a Hampton Bay. I think it's a Hampitonbay Huntington then. Oh, no, it's a Hampton Bay something. Low. Because we got like low. Can't allow it makes room usually hot. Hey Reed, why do you still use incandescent lights?
Oh no.
Or is it simpler to you? Oh, check out that kind of wall we get on low. It's the OD. Hank.
She just leave? Bella, it's a prank. It's a did you really think I died?
Yes, it's not funny.
It's not funny. Oh. You had a heart attack?
I know, yes, I do apologize if my camera's unfocused. It doesn't like focusing. Oh, that's how it goes. And that was the Hampton Bay Huntington that I did not know about. And the dinosaur prank on the TV. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. More fans to come, hopefully.